In this video, we'll be focusing on the third pillar of OOP, abstraction. Don't worry, it's not as vague as it sounds. Unfortunately, it's not as artistic as it might sound either. Abstraction is the pillar in OOP that allows for the simplification of complex systems by focusing on the essential features and hiding away the unnecessary details. Well, that might sound very abstract. In Java we get there by using abstract classes and interfaces. This makes our programs maintainable and easier to understand, once you understand abstract classes and interfaces, that is. Okay, I get it. Chances are that I'm leaving you a little puzzled right now. Let's talk about a non-code example. My car. I can steer my car, or at least sort of, definitely not an expert here. You should only see the rims on my car, but that's beside the point. The point is, when I steer my car, I honestly have very little clue of what is happening with all the parts I can't see. But somehow my wheels go into the direction I'm steering. I don't need to know how it's working, and that's an example of abstraction. I know how to use it, but I don't need to know how it works. Yet, I can still use it. At least, sort of. Alright, I know this is a bit abstract still, but knowing that abstraction allows for being able to use it without having to know the exact implementation, that's enough on abstraction for now. In the next video, we're going to have a look at the fourth pillar of OOP, polymorphism, which is Greek for many shapes.